Imagine this, you're at work and suddenly, out of nowhere, you feel that familiar wave of anxiety creeping in. Your heart starts to race, your thoughts spiral, and you're struggling to stay calm. But instead of feeling helpless, you reach into your bag, pull out a small, familiar kit, and within minutes, you start to feel the tension melt away. That's the power of a personal calm kit, your go-to solution for managing anxiety wherever and whenever it strikes. Today, we're going to build one together so you're always prepared. 1. What is a personal calm kit? First things first, what exactly is a personal calm kit? Think of it as your portable sanctuary, a collection of items that bring you comfort and help you regain control during anxious moments. It's a simple yet powerful tool, tailored specifically to your needs, that you can carry with you wherever you go. The idea is to have a selection of items that appeal to your senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste, so that no matter where you are, you can ground yourself and find calm quickly. 2. Why you need a calm kit. The science behind it. Why is a calm kit so effective? It's all about engaging your senses to disrupt the anxiety cycle. When you're anxious, your body is in fight or flight mode. By focusing on sensory experiences, you can signal to your brain that it's safe to relax. This process helps shift your nervous system from a state of anxiety to one of calm. Plus, having a calm kit ready to go means you don't have to think too hard in the moment. You already have the tools you need right at your fingertips. 3. Building your personal calm kit. Essential items to include. Now, let's get into the fun part, building your own personal calm kit. Remember, this kit is personal, so it should include items that specifically help you. Here are some ideas to get you started. 1. Aromatherapy. Scent has a powerful effect on mood. Include a small bottle of essential oils like lavender, chamomile, or eucalyptus. These scents are known for their calming properties. A quick inhale can help soothe your nerves almost instantly. 2. Stress ball or fidget toy. Physical touch can be incredibly grounding. A stress ball or fidget toy can give your hands something to focus on, helping to release tension and distract your mind from anxious thoughts. 3. Calming music playlist. Music has the ability to transport us to a different emotional state. Create a playlist of songs that make you feel calm and happy. Keep a pair of earbuds in your kit so you can listen to your calming tracks whenever you need to. 4. Breathing exercises card. Sometimes all you need is a reminder to breathe. Include a small card with simple breathing exercises. For example, the 4 to 7 8 technique, where you inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8, can work wonders for calming the mind. 5. Comforting photos or quotes. Visuals can be incredibly soothing. Include a small photo of a loved one, a pet, or a place that makes you feel safe. Or include a card with a comforting quote or mantra that you can repeat to yourself during tough moments. 6. Herbal tea bags. A warm cup of herbal tea can be both soothing and comforting. Consider adding a couple of herbal tea bags like chamomile or peppermint to your kit. The ritual of making tea can be a calming process in itself. 7. Journal and pen. Writing down your thoughts can help you process emotions and reduce anxiety. Include a small journal and pen in your kit so you can jot down your feelings or make a quick gratitude list when anxiety strikes. 8. Snacks. Sometimes a small snack can help ground you in the present moment. Consider including a healthy snack like nuts or dark chocolate, which can provide a quick boost of energy and comfort. 9. Hand lotion or cream. Engaging your sense of touch and smell. Hand lotion can be incredibly soothing. Choose a lotion with a calming scent and take a moment to massage it into your hands, focusing on the texture and scent. 10. Mindfulness cards. Include a set of mindfulness cards with prompts that encourage you to focus on the present moment. These can be a great way to quickly center yourself and reduce anxious thoughts. 4. Customizing your calm kit, making it truly yours. While these suggestions are a great starting point, remember that your calm kit should be uniquely yours. Think about what items make you feel safe, comforted, and calm. Maybe it's a particular scent, a favorite candy, or a small trinket that holds sentimental value. The goal is to create a kit that feels like a little piece of home. No matter where you are, you can even customize your kit based on where you'll be using it, at work, on the go, or at home. For example, if you're prone to anxiety at work, consider including items that are discreet and easy to use at your desk. 5. Using your Calm Kit. When and how to reach for it. Your Calm Kit is only effective if you actually use it. So let's talk about when and how to reach for it. The great thing about a Calm Kit is that it's portable. You can keep it in your bag, your car, or your desk at work. Whenever you start to feel that familiar sense of anxiety creeping in, take a moment to pause and reach for your kit. Here's a simple process for using your Calm Kit. 1. Pause and acknowledge. The first step is to recognize that you're feeling anxious. Instead of trying to push the feeling away, acknowledge it. Say to yourself, "I'm feeling anxious right now, and that's okay." 2. Find a quiet space. If possible, find a quiet spot where you can use your Calm Kit without distractions. This might be a break room at work, your car, or even a quiet corner of your home. 3. Engage your senses. Start by choosing an item from your kit that appeals to your senses. Maybe you inhale the scent of lavender, listen to a calming song, or focus on the texture of your stress ball. The goal is to ground yourself in the present moment. 4. Breathe and reflect. As you engage with your Calm Kit, take slow, deep breaths. Use the breathing exercises card if it helps. Allow yourself to fully experience the calming effects of each item. Reflect on how you're feeling as you use your kit and notice any shifts in your mood or anxiety levels. 5. Practice gratitude. End your Calm Kit session by taking a moment to practice gratitude. Write down 1 or 2 things you're grateful for in your journal, or simply reflect on them in your mind. Gratitude can help shift your focus from anxiety to positivity. 6. Maintaining your Calm Kit. Keeping it fresh and effective. Just like any tool, your Calm Kit needs regular maintenance to stay effective. Here are a few tips for keeping your kit fresh. 1. Regularly update items over time. You might find that certain items in your kit aren't as effective as they once were. That's okay. Regularly check in with your Calm Kit and update items as needed. Maybe swap out an essential oil for a new scent or add a different fidget toy to keep things interesting. 2. Keep it accessible. Make sure your Calm Kit is always within reach when you need it. If you often experience anxiety at work, keep a kit in your desk drawer. If you're frequently on the go, make sure it's in your bag. 3. Personalize it over time. As you learn more about what helps you manage anxiety, continue to personalize your Calm Kit. The more it reflects your personal preferences and needs, the more effective it will be. 4. Share the concept with others. Once you've experienced the benefits of a Calm Kit, consider sharing the idea with friends or loved ones who might also benefit. Creating Calm Kits together can be a fun and supportive activity. Empower yourself with a personal Calm Kit. A personal Calm Kit is more than just a collection of items. It's a proactive step towards managing your anxiety and taking control of your mental health. By having a kit on hand, you're giving yourself the tools to find peace and calm in even the most stressful situations. Remember, anxiety is a normal part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. With a Calm Kit by your side, you can face anxious moments with confidence and ease. So why not start building your kit today? Gather a few of the items we discussed and begin creating a space of calm that's just for you. And the next time anxiety strikes, you'll be ready.